Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. Hey, even more sick than she really is. Merry Christmas, guys. It's not Christmas here, but yeah.
Delise, before you leave here today, please put these Christmas cards in the mail for your grandmother, please.
I have appointments. Do I need to do it today? Like, later, right? I'm gonna be back tonight. Do you know that I am singing all afternoon? I have.
Thank you. Of course. You can do it tonight. Like it will be a
when you leave, make sure you run down to Harris Teeter and grab me.
So, let's see here.
Oh my gosh.
Do all of these need to be distributed? No, because we're only opening gifts for people who can't be here tomorrow.
Take one out.
Okay. So actually, the truth is, I don't know. What? What's in those bags? Ow. Sorry. Did you open it?
It wasn't closed.
What is it?
Well, you didn't exclaim or anything.
Oh my goodness, a windshield cover, yay!
I thought that would save you a lot of time.
Oh yeah.
And in the snow, remember
you sitting in the parking lot.
what made me get it for you was that day when it was snowing and you had to get all the stuff
and I
out.
drove home with my head out the window.
Poor baby.
Okay, so that's that.
Hey, you better blur my face on this.
Don't even know. Don't front.
See this? This my grandmother. My grandmother would do this. She would be
Like just gently try to get where all the paper
Dad
is.
is going for it.
Dad is opening the gift for you.
Like she needs to reuse the paper.
Same.
Yeah. That's
we'd
funny.
be like, Grandma, we'll buy you some wrapping paper. Just tear it.
I did take the edges of the box. I'm sorry. I hate
Dad.
when
Oh,
people do
that's
that.
fine.
Oh, I guess.
I like how he's opening it.
Right. Do you like this help that you're getting? He's literally opening the gift for you.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is the hours, his, hers, and ours. Because we needed this. This was a Cameron bought this, but
He got it for himself.
No, remember that time you were like, I was like, Mom, where is the salt and pepper grinder? They're all broken and stuff. Why don't we have a new one? And you were like, I'm waiting for one to appear. And I was like, huh? And she was like, well, you know, Christmas is coming up. And I was like, oh.
And we got extra.
Yeah.
Nice.
There you
And
go.
some extra supplies for it. Thank you. This is nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, so I am back home now, obviously. I just am excited to spend some time enjoying today, being Christmas Eve and all those things. I thought that really quickly I would give you a little tour, like a Christmas tour of just what I've done in the house. It's not a lot, but I think it's the perfect time of day to show you, so that's what I'm gonna do. So when you walk in the house, this is what you see right off. This is really the main bulk of my Christmas decor. So on the table, I just like to put little bulbs. These are all bulbs that I got from just different places, mostly Target. These little cute ones are from the Dollar Tree, actually. Here's my little tree skirt. In our tree. You saw these in an earlier Vlogmas, but I painted kind of a rustic painting of some thrifted bulbs. I got the blue and then I got the white, and I just thought those were so fun. I like the matte finish on the tree in contrast with everything else. These satin bulbs are vintage and I also thrifted them. Thought they were really pretty. So the next thrifted finds are these amazing star ornaments. I think that these made the tree, to be honest. I've got the matte kind, and then there's also this really shiny version of the same thing. and they are so beautiful. And I also have another vlog of getting those. Then I have these little tiny bulbs. All my tiny bulbs actually came from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. I just really liked the colors that they offered. This copper tone and this gold tone I think are really pretty. And then I decided I needed some yellowy gold too to just kind of warm up an otherwise cold looking tree. So I used these big bulbs, and these big ones also came from Dollar Tree last year. That was the only place I could find the huge ones like I wanted. So I have a couple different styles. Love this one. I just love it. So pretty. Then I have two different kinds of garland. The pom-pom garland, which was actually my inspiration for the whole tree, came from Michael's. This was so fun. It's just, oh, so luscious. I love it. This garland came from Michael's as well, and I actually ended up going to get this color instead. I had silver, and I just felt like I needed a little bit more of a pop. So that's my tree look. I think I've said it before, but I'll say it again. I am so happy with this tree. My plan is to get a new star next year. My previous tree was a lot shorter, and you saw that in an earlier vlog as well, but this tree is just a dream come true. I'm really happy with it. This chair was also found during the Vlogmas season, and I just had to sit it next to the tree. I found it so appropriate. I am about to clean that in a couple days. I grabbed it from the side of the road, to be honest, but isn't it so fun? Just an antique chair, super cool. Okay, so on my mantle, I kind of wanted to just sort of keep it simple. This wood piece is something that Evan made for me for Christmas years ago. I think it was our first Christmas together. He made that for me when we lived in Lynchburg. The reindeer antlers, that came from Target in the dollar spot years ago. This little twine piece, I think it's just twine that I had at home. I believe either that or the twine came in a little packet. I got a lot of the stuff from the dollar store, crazy. From the dollar store. The tassels are from Michael's. They were on deep clearance. I think they were 50 cents. And then those are those same little bulbs that you recognize. Really fun. Okay, so this beautiful piece is actually something that I found the other day at Target. It wasn't originally a part of my Christmas decor, but I just love it so much that I wanted to put it on my mantle. This one, also from Target, dollar spot a while ago. Just sort of random. I didn't really work too hard on my mantle this year. Wow, everything I own is from Target. This is also from Target. I want to say not the dollar spot though, but the fairy lights are as well, and they need a new battery. That is a dollar store white tree from a couple years ago. The tinsel, the gold garland across, I don't remember where I got that. It's old. And then these two were last year at Target, I think. So that's my mantle. Okay. Hi, Sim Sam. You're just napping in your favorite spot. So here is my table this year. It's ironic. My table is a hot pink, and if you watch my vlogs or have been watching it for a while, you know that that was not chosen by me. I was planning to redo this table, and I actually ended up dropping it off my truck and breaking it. So I just think it's really funny that this year it actually matches my decor. But here's what I've got going on the table. Did the bottle brush trees. If I do this again next year, I'll probably find some little fake snow. This year, I just decided to keep them on the cake plates, keep it simple. And then I've also got, it's a little bright in here so you can't really see, but these candlesticks. And then I just took another one of those garlands and worked it across my table, really simple. And this table runner is one that I made last year. I'm trying to think. I don't know if it's still up on my channel, but I did make a video of it. If it's up on my channel, I will link it below. I'm really happy with this. Yeah, guys, so those are my Christmas decorations for this year. I kept it really simple. I am kind of at point in my life right now, and I think a lot of you guys can probably relate, where I am growing my decorations. And so I had a lot more that I could have put up, but it didn't all go with my style, and rather than buy an entirely new set of everything, I just tried to kind of keep it simple and go with what I already had. And I feel like it turned out really good. So I hope that you enjoyed that little tour. Today is Christmas Eve, of course, so I have lots of presents to wrap and put under the tree, and I will show you what they look like under the tree. Probably won't leave them there this year because I don't want Samson to get into them or get curious. We'll see. So it's gonna be a good day. We're going back to my parents' house a little bit later on so that Evan can get his presents from my mom. And my mom does a really cute thing where she does like his, hers, and ours for the married ones in her life, and so she does that for all of her kids. And so I opened up mine, he has his, and then we'll open up ours together. So it'll be fun.